Most adults could finish college in 9 to 12 months, but nobody ever shows them how. I did it myself, and that's exactly what I'm teaching through AccelerateU. The truth is, the college system isn't designed for adult learners. You're paying flat rate tuition, but only finishing 2 classes per term. You're relearning subjects you already know and wasting years in the process. Sound familiar? That's why I built AccelerateU, a proven system that helps adults graduate faster, save money, and finally finish that degree. Inside, you'll learn how to cut 2 to 3 years off your degree, use credit by exam, and competency based programs the smart way. Avoid the costly mistakes most advisors never tell you about, and use AI tools to write faster, stay organized without burning out. I'm Jim Knight, founder of AccelerateU, and I'm helping working adults finish college faster, debt free, and without burnout. Every semester, capable adults pay flat rate tuition, but only finish a few classes. They retake subjects they already know, they write essays from scratch, and their advisors, they don't understand competency based education or how to help you move faster. That's why I built AccelerateU, a complete system for mastering CBE and graduating in record time. Inside, you'll get Grad Map, your personalized fast track degree plan, Paper OS, easy frameworks that save you hours each week, Credit Max, strategies to test you out of courses and transfer credits for maximum savings, plus over 35 AI tools, weekly coaching, and private community that help you keep you accountable. Most of our students finish their degree in 9 to 12 months and save between $10 and $40,000. It's not a shortcut, it's not a trick. It's learning how the system actually works for adults and finally putting it to work for you. If you're ready to graduate faster, save money, and reclaim your future, join me inside the Accelerate You community, and you'll get access to the full blueprint, live support, and a community of adults just like you who are finishing what they started. We give you the strategy, you do the work, and as always, let's accelerate your future.